Hello, I'm attorney Terrell Monks. I practice in Central Oklahoma. My practice is primarily estate planning and probate. I'd like to visit with you a few minutes about probate. Probate is the legal process whereby your assets are used to pay your bills, pay your burial and medical expenses, and then distribute what remains to your heirs or beneficiaries. If you die without a will, your estate goes to your heirs at law as defined by state statute. You need to look at that very carefully because often that's not the people you would choose. If you have a will, then presumably your estate will go to your beneficiaries under the will. Probate, if uncontested and reasonably straightforward, runs about 6 months. Sometimes it can go longer, particularly if we're having to sell land and the land's not selling. And if there's a fight, oh, it can go years. The cost of probate can vary drastically. AARP has done a study that has estimated that a typical probate in the United States will cost from 5 to 20% of your estate. In Oklahoma, in my experience, 5% is probably a little low, but 20% is a lot high for an uncontested probate. But 5 to 20% is the alleged range for the entire United States. During the probate, you have one great advantage. It's not often I get to say that there's an advantage to probate, but there is. You get the right to cut off creditors after a little over 2 months. That's not an advantage we have outside of probate. Generally speaking, the statute of limitations, that means the time you have to bring a lawsuit, runs from 1 to 5 years in Oklahoma. The advantage of probate and cutting that time down to 60 days is a terrific advantage. Many creditors won't even file a claim. They don't have time. Many of them are big companies, and they don't have the manpower to locate an Oklahoma probate attorney, get them hired, and get a claim filed on time. There are many disadvantages of probate, primarily the time and the money involved, but cutting off creditors can sometimes fully offset, and often more than offset, the cost of the probate. So in summary, probate is a judicial process whereby the survivors of the deceased person manage his or her affairs, pay the bills, and distribute what's left. We can help you with probate, or we can help you avoid probate, because often we don't need a probate if there's an estate plan in place. So give us a call, 405-733-8686, if we can help you.